Hi guys, welcome to Vibe video tutorial series. In this video, we will give you a short tour about Vibe Shoppable Instagram feed app. Vibe will help you showcase your products in a dynamic and interactive way, lets your customers shop right in your Instagram feed, with the tagging products feature. Here is the dashboard of the Vibe Shoppable Instagram feed app. On the app header, you will see the current plan badge on the left. On the right, you will see the live chat button. And Vibe's documents including manual and video tutorial. On the main dashboard, the first thing you see is a quick tutorial video to help you get started with Vibe. Next, you'll see a setup guide, including 3 steps. Follow the instruction to start setting up your feed. And you can mark done after you finish each task. This will help you keep on track. Scroll down and you will see the recent feeds. You can quickly access the feed you created recently. Here is the support resource. You can contact us via the 24/7 live chat, access help center, or watch video tutorial if you've got any issues when you're using the app. Click on this button to edit your Instagram post pop-up settings and customize to your preferences. You can see Vibe's latest updates at the end of the dashboard. Navigate to Instagram feeds. Here's where you create the Instagram feeds for your store. On the top bar, you can search or filter the feed you want based on status, auto-sync. You can easily use sort function to find the feed based on the title, created, and updated time. To create a new feed, click on Add Instagram Feed here. Back to the left-hand side and click on Preferences. In the Account tab, you can check the account status, data privacy, and uninstall the app here. In the Billing tab, you can check your billing information. You can change your current plan or apply discount here. Next, the Instagram Connections is where you connect your Instagram personal accounts. You can either disconnect the account or refresh when your connection expires here. In the Pop-ups tab, you can customize your Instagram pop-ups, including post details and product quick view. And finally, you can enable or disable UI optimization in the User Interface tab. Now, it's time to create a new feed. First, you need to add the title and choose feed status. Here I'll select active. Next, you need to choose the post source, which is the Instagram account that you want show on your feeds. Scroll down to set the number of maximum posts to use on storefront. Select this option if you want to enable dynamic feeds for product pages, or this option to auto-update recent posts. After you finish all the settings, click Update Data to start generating posts. New post won't be updated until you click Update Data. Now, all posts show up. You can set visible, hidden, or pinned to top for all post, or separated post. By hovering on each post, you can tag product in it. When it's all done, click Save. After you finish creating a feed, you need to add the feed in your theme editor or a page builder to show it on your store. In the Install Feed modal, you'll see 2 tabs, for OS 2.0 theme, and for vintage themes and page builders. To add the feed on theme OS 2.0, you need to copy the feed ID. Then, select the theme that you want to add the feed to. It can be your live theme or unpublished theme. Click on this button to go to the theme editor. In the theme editor, click on Add Section. You can choose Grid or Slideshow feed. I will choose Grid, for example. Click on the app block, its settings will appear. Paste the ID of the feed that you copied earlier. Scroll down to choose Post Click Actions, which are Open Post Pop-up, Open Instagram Post Page, or none. I will choose Open Post Pop-up. Next, you can set up the feed display by adjusting these parameters. Posts to display, items per loading, items per row, item spacing, Loading mode. You can also customize the post display, including post CTA, post with product CTA, and post ratio. You can add a heading and a description for the feed. Finally, you can add custom CSS code here to create custom styling or effect. To check the feed on the live view, click Save. And here is how it looks on your store. If you are using Theme OS 1.0 or a Shopify page builder app, you will need to set up and install Vibe by copying feed embed code. In the Install Feed modal, click on the For Vintage Themes and Page Builders tab. Similar to the OS 2.0 theme, you need to set up the content, feed display and post display of the feed. After you finish, the feed embed code on the right will automatically change according to the changes you make. Copy the code. Then go to Online Store, select Themes. Click on the three-dot icon and select Edit Code. On the search bar, you need to search for index. Click on the index.liquid file. In the index.liquid file, paste the code wherever you'd like to see your feed. Click Save. It's done. To use Vibe Instagram feed in a Shopify page builder app, you can use this embed code to add the feeds to any position on the page. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest video tutorials, and contact our live chat 24/7 if you need any assistance. Thanks for watching.